Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wear test and review on the new Beauty Blender Bounce Air Whip Concealer. So if you're interested in my thoughts, keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I am gonna do one side with the Urban Decay All Nighter because I've been using this for a while now. I actually really like it. And I'm also gonna be trying this. This is a sample of the Beauty Blender the Leveler Pore Minimizing Primer, and so we can see the difference. I wanted to try the Beauty Blender primer with the Beauty Blender complexion products, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do All Nighter on this side. So the All Nighter primer is more of that gripping primer. It has a bit of hydration aspects to it, and it's just long wearing. The Leveler primer is supposed to be pore minimizing. It's supposed to help minimize fine lines as well as mattifying. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on. This one says light to medium. I know they have two different shades, but I don't think it should show up. Yeah, it's fine. Feels very silky. I don't know if it's silicone free. High performance silicone, so it's not silicone free. It's supposed to create a velvety canvas and a humidity proof barrier to lock makeup in place so that your look lasts. Alright, so Beauty Blender primer, All Nighter primer. Alright, I'm going to be going in with the Beauty Blender foundation. I actually really like this foundation. I have a wear test on it. They did extend the shades. So the shade that I have now is 4.35. And I love this little divot that you have. So this is about 2 pumps on the little divot. And I'm going to use a Beauty Blender. No. I'm not gonna use a Beauty Blender. I'm gonna use a brush because I like brushes for my foundation. Alright, so that's the All Nighter side, and then this is the Leveler side. I just want to show you what the complexion looks like with both primers. They look pretty similar, to be honest. Yeah, very similar. Pores are minimized. I don't see any difference between like hydration and being mattified. So I think we're good. All right, I'm gonna stay close since we're gonna move on to the concealer. Now you guys know that I am a complexion junkie. Like, I love trying foundation and concealer. So I wanted to try this. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. I have it in the shade 4.20W Deep Golden. That is the unicarton, and then this concealer claims to be long wear, weightless, full coverage that brightens and hydrates. This is the packaging of the concealer, and it's the Bounce concealer. And then it has this applicator, which is supposed to be reminiscent of your Beauty Blender. So I pulled up the information on Sephora. So the Beauty Blender concealer is supposed to be a weightless full coverage concealer that uses hyaluronic acid and peptides to create a smooth and detectable finish. It's full coverage, natural finish. It's good for all skin types. It has tetrapeptides that is known to reduce the appearance of puffiness, brightens and moisturize the eye area for a more supple, youthful looking appearance over time. Has HD effect pigments, which helps to illuminate the skin to instantly achieve the perception of flawless skin tone. Okay. Okay. Let's see how many shades this comes in. I do believe it's 40 shades, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it comes in 40 shades, which is pretty good for a concealer. Currently on Sephora.com, it has 4.7 out of 5 stars with 100 reviews. I'm not going to read the reviews, but again, I have it in the shade 4.20W, and I'm just going to apply some. This foundation is so pretty. I actually really like this foundation. I don't feel like I need a lot. Let's do a little bit. It has slight fragrance to it. Oh, it has like a flat side of the doe foot applicator. Okay. That feels better. The flat side, it has a flat side to it. Now, can we just talk about how I didn't even have to dip back into the component to get product out, because this definitely seems to be full coverage. I am gonna let my under eyes set a little bit, but I'm gonna blend out this area. I'm gonna go with a bit of my Fenty Beauty setting spray, the What It Do setting spray. I actually like it. It does still have a fragrance to it, but I'm kind of misting the Beauty Blender, and I am gonna press that in. You need a little bit more liquid to it. There we go. That blends very easy. Alright, I'm gonna go in and blend out my under eye area. Whoa. Yo, that is some full coverage. I don't think I needed to let it set, you guys. Wow, that is really smooth. Really nice coverage as well. I'm not mad at it. Okay, so for my powder, I'm gonna stick with my Peach Perfect and Mented powder combo. I have like some of it mixed in the cap. So it's the Mented medium to deep powder mixed with the Peach Perfect because I like it. All right, I did a light set with that powder. I'm gonna go in with a bit of my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder because I've been loving it. Oh my gosh, I can't even wait to do a video with it. I just like opened it and started using it. It is so good for dry skin. Well, I think it'll be good for everybody, but it just doesn't look like you have powder on. Okay, so I'm a bit closer. This is what everything is looking like as it is set. Definitely more of that soft matte finish to my complexion. I normally have a bit more glow, but I'm gonna continue to do my makeup and we'll see what this looks like after I come back. Alright guys, so this is what my makeup is looking like currently. So my complexion looks pretty good. It's definitely more of that soft matte like I mentioned before I left. Concealer is doing pretty good at the moment. There's a slight bit of creasing right in that fine line, but you know, that happens throughout the day, but it does look pretty smooth on my complexion, and I think the color is nice. So this is what everything is looking like. I'm actually really impressed with my overall complexion, so we'll see how it wears. Alright guys, I am back. It's the end of the night and this is what my makeup is looking like. It's so weird doing the checker for concealer. I'm like looking all the way up to the ceiling and whatnot to show y'all what this looks like. But yes, this is my complexion. And I've had my makeup on for 11.5 hours. So double check this in the light, see how it looks. I actually really like this. I think my overall complexion looks really good, like foundation included. It looks really good. I already told you guys I like this foundation. I just don't show it on camera a lot, but I like this foundation. So over here we have the All Nighter primer, which I think looks really good. And then this is the Leveler primer, which I think looks good too, but I prefer the All Nighter side. I feel like this looks a little too matte for my preference, and I have normal to dry skin if you're unaware. So yeah, the concealer, this buddy right here that we're talking about, is really good. It's very smooth, very lightweight, not drying, but at the same time it's not too radiant for the under eye area. Like there's a bit of setting line like right in my fine line, but you guys, like, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. This concealer looks amazing, like seriously. It reminds me of my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. They did a really good job with this. I actually really like it. If you guys were thinking about trying it, I would recommend it. I think it's a good concealer. Like, I like it. I like it a lot. I will continue to use it. I have the shade 4.20W Deep Golden, just in case you guys are interested in trying it out. All the shades that I normally wear in my foundations will be linked down in the description box if you want to know what shades I normally wear. But yeah, I would recommend it. I think it looks really pretty, and I I'm glad that I bought it. All right guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Everything will be linked down in the description box if you are interested in trying anything out. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.